Are you concerned about what your kids are sharing on WhatsApp? Or you want to suspect your partner might be cheating and want to keep an eye on their phone usage? Imagine having a tool that lets you see everything happening on WhatsApp without even touching the phone. Today, we're exploring mSpy, a powerful monitoring solution that might just be the answer to your worries. Let's explore some of the mSpy features for especially WhatsApp monitoring. If at any point you decide to try mSpy, you can use link in the description below and get a discounted package. With mSpy, you can read all sent and received messages on WhatsApp. This feature ensures you don't miss any important conversations. mSpy allows you to monitor all photos, videos, and audio files shared on WhatsApp. This is crucial for detecting inappropriate content. You can also track WhatsApp calls, including the time and duration of each call, providing a complete picture of communication. Access the contact list saved on the target device to see who your child or employee is communicating with. One of the standout features is mSpy's ability to run in stealth mode. The app operates discreetly in the background, ensuring it remains undetectable. The mSpy dashboard is your command center for monitoring the target device. It organizes all activities into different sections, making it easy to keep track of everything. Even if you're not tech-savvy, the dashboard is designed to be straightforward and accessible. Messages are a primary mode of communication these days, and mSpy lets you check not only regular SMS, but also private conversations on apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Snapchat, and Viber. You'll get a complete report on who your target device holder is texting, basic information about the recipient, and even a peek into the images videos shared. With mSpy's keyword alerts, you can flag certain words and be notified if those words appear in a conversation. This feature is great for parents worried about their kids engaging in risky behaviors. Instead of constantly monitoring texts, you can rely on these alerts to notify you of concerning keywords. mSpy's keylogger records every single keystroke made on the device. Whether it's a typed message that wasn't sent, a note, or a search query, mSpy tracks it all. This feature is particularly useful for capturing disappearing messages on apps like Snapchat and Instagram. mSpy offers real-time location tracking, so you can see where the target device is at all times. Additionally, with geofencing, you can set up virtual boundaries and receive notifications if the device crosses those boundaries. This feature is great for parents wanting to ensure their children's safety or for partners wanting peace of mind. mSpy's screen recording feature allows you to see messages and photos on the target phone through automated screenshots triggered by phone activity. This is especially useful for tracking disappearing messages on apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, and Instagram. Location tracking isn't the only way to know where the target user is. mSpy also tracks the Wi-Fi networks they connect to, providing you with details about the network name, connection duration, and connection date. This feature helps you understand where the user hangs out most often. With mSpy, you can monitor and restrict the apps and websites your target user accesses. You'll get a complete list of all downloaded apps and visited websites. If necessary, you can remotely block access to specific apps and websites. mSpy provides instant access to the target device's call list, showing who they talk to, call duration, and timestamps. You can also access detailed caller information, such as names and phone numbers. This feature helps you keep track of who the target user is in touch with. mSpy allows you to monitor the target user's calendar, providing insights into upcoming events, including event names, venues, and timestamps. This is helpful for keeping track of planned activities and ensuring the user's safety. mSpy lets you access the target device's media files, such as images and videos, ensuring the user is not interacting with inappropriate content. This feature provides timestamps for when files were downloaded, helping you understand the context of the media files. Getting started with mSpy is simple. Visit the official website by clicking link in description. Create an account and choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs. Download the mSpy app onto the target device, and within minutes, you'll be able to start monitoring. The user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to navigate through all the collected data. mSpy offers different subscription options depending on how long you want to use the service. You can choose from a 1-month plan at around $48, a 3-month plan at about $28 per month, or a 12-month plan at roughly $11 per month. The 12-month plan offers the best value for long-term monitoring. To wrap up, mSpy is a powerful tool for monitoring WhatsApp messages, calls, and media files. It's user-friendly and reliable, making it a great choice for parents and employers. In my opinion, mSpy is definitely worth considering if you need a comprehensive monitoring solution. Click the link in the description below and download mSpy now and get a discounted package. Always remember to use it within legal boundaries and with the consent of the person being monitored.